Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mercedes C-Class service indicator. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. We'll cover the steps to navigate your vehicle's display using the steering wheel controls. By the end, you'll be able to clear that service message quickly and efficiently, keeping your maintenance schedule on track. To begin, sit in the driver's seat and turn your ignition to position 1 without starting the engine. Make sure your dashboard display shows the odometer reading. If it shows a service message, press the OK button to acknowledge it. You'll be using the buttons on your steering wheel to navigate through the menus. Now, press and hold the call button on your steering wheel and then, within 1 second, press and hold the OK button. Hold both buttons for about 5 seconds until a hidden service menu appears. Use the arrow buttons to scroll down and highlight Assist Plus, then press OK to select it. You may need to turn the ignition to position 2 at this point. Once in the Assist Plus menu, scroll to Full Service and press OK. Then, select Confirm Service and choose the appropriate oil quality used during your maintenance. Finally, hold the OK button to confirm the reset. A confirmation message should appear. Turn off the ignition, then restart your car to verify the service indicator is gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.